Hello there. Got a little song here I wrote a few years ago called Dog, You Don't Know Just What You've Done. And this is for all the dog lovers and all the dog haters in the world. And I'd like to send this out to all the fine folks at the George Washington University Hospital with a special thank you to all the ECMO folks in the intensive care unit and all the occupational therapy and physical therapy folks who actually helped me walk out of the hospital. Dog, you don't know just what you've done. Dog, you don't know just what you've done. You think you're having fun, but now you better run. Dog, you don't know just what you've done. When you were just a pup, we had to pick you up. You were just the cutest little thing. But cute sure did grow old, if the truth to be told, when I caught you chewing on my Sunday shoes. Dog, you don't know just what you've done. Dog, you don't know just what you've done. You think you're having fun, but now you better run. Dog, you don't know just what you've done. Steaks on the grill until you ate your fill. You ran off with my last 6-pack of beer. You chewed my brand new tires and all my TV wires. After that, you got the neighbor's cat